Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're exploring the best wireless mechanical keyboard with knob to upgrade your workspace. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Kuru MK082. Let's get started. Product feature. This compact 82-key keyboard saves space while remaining highly portable with its detachable Type-C cable, making it the perfect companion for your home office or business trips. Express yourself with vibrant RGB backlighting, featuring 26 modes and 16 million colors to perfectly match your setup's unique aesthetic and mood. Enjoy ultimate flexibility with triple mode connectivity, allowing you to switch seamlessly between 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and wired USB-C connections across 3 devices. Stay powered for longer with a massive 4,000 mAh battery that offers up to 80 hours of standby time, providing about 2 weeks of reliable daily use on a single charge. Experience precision with full-key anti-ghosting technology and hot swappable sockets, allowing you to easily customize your typing feel with the included extra switches. The integrated volume knob adds a touch of elegance and practicality, letting you make quick audio adjustments without interrupting your creative flow or gaming. Designed for everyone, this keyboard supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux with dual system fast control technology, ensuring a smooth experience no matter your platform. Pros. The Kuru MK082 truly cares about your comfort and productivity. The triple mode connection is a lifesaver for multitaskers, while the massive battery means you won't be tethered to a charging cable. Its compact design feels premium and intentional, freeing up space for a cleaner, more focused desk environment that helps you feel more inspired and organized every single day. Cons. While the clicky blue switches provide satisfying feedback, they might be a bit loud for shared office spaces or quiet late-night sessions. Also, while the 80-hour battery life is quite impressive, remember that using the vibrant RGB lights at full brightness will naturally require more frequent charging to keep things glowing. Final thoughts. Finding a tool that balances style with high-end performance can be tough, but this keyboard makes it look easy. It's more than just hardware, it's a reliable partner for your daily tasks and late-night gaming adventures. You'll feel the difference in every tactile click, giving you the confidence to tackle any project. It's an investment in a better, more colorful, and efficient digital life. Ready to level up your desk? Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Kingo and like this video to stay updated on the best gear. Thanks for hanging out.